New, stricter gun regulations take effect in Maryland next Tuesday. Some weapons will be harder to get, others will be completely off the shelves. But the deadline has created a rush of gun buyers. And as Whitney Wild explains, sellers are struggling to keep up.
Gun vault, please hold.
Yeah, we've been selling a lot of these.
From the well-known Glock to the most notorious assault rifles, guns are flying off the shelves at the Maryland Small Arms Range.
We're way ahead of what we were last year in the number of people coming in to buy guns.
Jack Donald says customers are pouring in to beat the October 1st deadline when stricter gun laws take effect. The rush means enormous amounts of paperwork.
All of these folders are the sets of paperwork that we have submitted to the state police for the background checks.
The earliest of which were filed in May.
We've just never seen anything like this.
Greg Shipley of the Maryland State Police says roughly 50,000 people are waiting a response on police background checks. But under the state law, firearms dealers can give a buyer a gun after just a 7-day wait period without an approved background check.
There have actually been firearms released to persons who, once we got to their application in the pile, we found that they were prohibited.
Back at the Maryland Small Arms Range, Donald says they're reluctant to sell before a completed background check, worried about potential liability. And customers like Allison Mooney say they don't mind waiting what could be months for a new handgun.
But we would like to get through the process without all the other additional paperwork and fingerprinting and all that. We would just rather not do that.
Normally we would have more guns available. We've been getting clobbered by this.
Shipley added that anyone who is prohibited from having a firearm will have their firearm confiscated once that background check goes through. He also added that if you filed for a background check before October 1st, you will be grandfathered in under the old laws. In the newsroom, Whitney Wild, News Channel 8.